Hi, I'm Arthur Johansson, or AJ for short, and I love to read and I love to teach people how to read. And I am using the talented Julia Donaldson's series called the Songbirds Phonics for teaching how to read with phonics. This is set 1 or level 1, and this is book 6 in this series. And this is such a good series. This has short vowel sounds, all the short vowel sounds, and just the simple one-letter consonant sounds, and a few little sight words or high frequency words, words that we don't sound out with phonics, but we just read. So let me get started. Look at this picture. Oh yeah, we remember them. This is from a earlier story we read with these same characters. So there's Mom Bug, and there's Bob Bug, little baby Bob Bug. And looks like Mom's holding her purse here. Okay, let's see what's in this story. M, a, m, m, a, m, mum, mum. That's right, I said mom. I have an American English accent, and this book is for a British accent. But mom, it's the same person. So mum, bugs, 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 bag, bag. Mum Bug's bag. This is Mum Bug's bag. Let's see what's inside Mum Bug's bag. Do you ever check what's inside your mom's purse? There's a lot of good stuff in there. Okay, there they go. Aw, look, Bob Bug's holding Mum's hand and they're going out. I wonder where they're going. Maybe to buy something because she has her purse. Mum, bug, bug, has a red bag. Mum Bug has a red bag. That's right. There's that word again where we just say it. It's a sight word or high frequency word. And THE together sounds the. Just put your tongue between your teeth. The. The bag bag has a, that's also just a word we just say, a zip, zip. The bag has a zip. Oh yeah, there it is. You can see it. Zip is short for zipper. You can zip it open, zip it closed, so that things don't fall out of it. Here they are in a shop. Look at what this shop has. Okay, let's read it. Mum, can, fit. A, pen, in, the, I'm sorry, in, her, er together, we'll say her, bag. Mum can fit a pen in her bag. So at this store, there's a lot of pens, and she fits a pen in her bag. Looks like they're hot. Look, he's got little drips of sweat, and so does Mom. Little drips of sweat coming off her head. The sun is coming through, and it's so hot. Whew, they feel hot. Aha. So they go to a store where they can find a fan. Let's see. They go to a store where they can find something to cool off, like this. Let's see. Let's read it. M, a, m, mum, k, an, can, f, it, fit, a, p, n, pen, and, a, f, an, fan, in, her, bag. Mom can fit a pen and a fan in her bag. Ooh, we're reading a lot now. Good job. Look at, there's the fan and the pen, and they go in her bag. Bob Bug's just sitting, waiting patiently in the store. What a good little bug. Good job, Bob. They're in another store now. Ooh, what's in this store? That looks yummy. Now Bob's excited. Look at Bob's got his little tongue. Mom, please, can I have one? So let's read. It says mum, can, fit, a, pen, pen, and, a, fan, fan, and, a, bun, in, her, bag. Mom can fit a pen and a fan and a bun in her bag. Oh yeah, we know about the pen and the fan, and now there's a bun. That's what that is, some sort of sweet treat. Bob's super excited. Next page, they're in another store. Ooh, look at this. Yeah, I didn't even mention the store shop owners, but this one's a crocodile. Can, fit, a, pen, and, you're going to get really good at that word, and, a, fan, fan, and, a, bun, and, a, pot. There's this word that we don't need to sound out. We just say of, jam, jam, in, her, bag. Mom can fit a pen and a fan and a bun and a pot of jam in her bag. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff. She's fitting it in there, but look at her face. She's really stuffing it in there. Bob's just looking with big eyes. He's wondering when he can eat that bun that she bought. Next page. Oh, they're outside now, and it's raining. Maybe they're going to another shop? They missed the bus? Oh, the bus is going by. They're in the rain. mum, as, has a, oh, we haven't seen this yet. This is where you read and see that there's a vowel here and another letter and a consonant and another vowel on the end that's letter E. So that makes this vowel sound a long vowel sound instead of the short vowel sound. So it's ol, hole, hole, ol, hole, in, her, bag. Mum has a hole in her bag. Uh-oh. Look, in the rain too, the bag ripped and all the stuff fell out of her bag, fell through the hole. Oh no. See? Bob's holding all the stuff. There's that word again. We just say the, pen, and, the, fan, and, the, bun, and, the, jam, get, wet. The pen and the fan and the bun and the jam get wet. Oh man, it's all wet. And Bob Bug says, yuck, yuck, with an exclamation point. Yuck, everything's wet. Ew, that bun that he wanted to eat is all wet. He can't eat that now. So what's gonna happen? Oh, look at them. They went to another store and look at this bag. That's not Mom Bug's old bag. Mom Bug's old bag is kind of small. Let's see what happened. Mum, bug, bug, gets, a big, big, bag. Mum Bug gets a big bag. Yeah, that is way bigger than the other one. And now she can fit everything inside. The pen and the fan and the bun and the pot of jam. And nothing's falling out of this bag. I bet she'll get some more stuff too. That's the end.